Students, today we are going to discuss about topic introduction introduction to polymer chemistry. Introduction to polymer chemistry. Now, today the overall development in polymer science and technology has enriched human life. The word would be at totally different place, totally different place without polymer, without polymers such as artificial fiber, plastics and elastomers, artificial fibers and plastics. So, from the throwaway candy wrappers to artificial heart, polymer touch our life as does not other class of material. In short, we are living in the world of polymers. We are living in the worlds of polymers. Chemically, polymers are complex. Polymers are complex, giant, macromolecular, macromolecular uh, made from the repeating units which are derived from a small molecule called monomers. Monomers. The term poly मतलब many है ना. Polymers are high molecular mass macromolecules 10 raised to power 3 to 10 raised to power 7 units. ठीक है. But both inorganic as well as organic polymers are known. In the chapter, we will study some aspects of organic polymers. Classification of polymers. Classification of polymers. Polymers are classified in a number of ways on the basis of their source, chemical structure, uh, source, chemical structure, mode of polymerization, mode of polymerization, molecular forces. Type of monomers and biodegradability. Biodegrab. These all basis there depends. Classification of polymer on the basis of source. Classification on the basis of source. On the basis of sources. They are first natural polymers. Natural polymer obtained from natural sources. They are obtained from natural sources, and they are subdivided into two types. They are subdivided into two types, that is, number one is the plant polymers, plant polymers and animal polymer. Animal polymer. Now then again it is divided, and second part is the synthetic polymer. Synthetic polymer. The for example of this is cotton plant polymer. For example is cotton linear and linen. Cotton and linen are obtained from cotton plants and flax plant. Flax plant. Natural rubber is another example of natural polymer. Now animal polymer, these are the examples: silk, wool, silk, wool, है ना? These are example. Now come to the synthetic polymer. Synthetic polymer are man-made polymer. Synthetic polymer, man-made. Synthetic polymer is the man-made polymer. They are artificially prepared by polymerization of monomer. Polymerization of monomer or copolymerization of two or more monomers. Nylon, terylene, neoprene. These are the synthetic polymers. They are further divided into three subtypes, namely fibers, synthetic, rubber and plastic. तो चल उसके बाद में है थर्ड वाला सेमी सिंथेटिक. सेमी सिंथेटिक. These are derived from natural polymers. These are derived from natural polymer. They are also called as the regenerated fibers. Cellulose derivative such as cellulose acetate rayon, cellulose nitrate viscose rayon, cupramine rayon are examples of this category. Cellulose acetate rayon, cellulose acetate rayon, cellulose nitrate viscose rayon and cupra ammonium rayon. Rayon are examples of this category. Semi-synthetic polymer are used in the preparation of non-inflammable photographic films, cinema films, varnishes. Classification of polymers on the basis of structure. On the basis of structure, depending on how the monomers are linked together. The chain configuration, polymers are classified. General types. First was the linear, branched. Third one is the three-dimensional cross-linked polymer. Three-dimensional crossed linked polymer. The nature of linking the monomers depends upon the nature and the number of functional group. Linking depends on nature and number of functional group in them. First one is the linear straight chain polymer. When the monomer molecules are joined together in a linear arrangement, the resulting polymer is called straight chain polymer. It is obtained from the bifunctional monomers of alkene. ठीक है? Different chain configuration of polymers. These are the different chain configuration of polymer. Second one is the branched chain. Second most common arrangement is the branch chain monomer having three functional group. Having three functional group gives rise to branch chain polymer. For example, low density polythene, density polythene. और तीसरा वाला है क्रॉस लिंक पॉलीमर्स. Cross-link polymer. Third type of arrangement is said to be cross-link polymer, where cross-links are produced between cross-link cross-links are produced between linear chain. Cross-linking results from the polyfunctional monomers. For example, bakelite and melamine. These are two examples of that. So, a classification of polymer on the basis of mode of classification on the basis of mode of polymerization. Polymerization is the fundamental process. It is fundamental process by which low molecular mass compounds are converted into high molecular compounds by linking together of repeating structural units with covalent bond. This process illustrated that it's a low molecular mass material processing reactive group. It is converted into at high temperature and pressure and catalyst. High molecular mass material. High molecular mass material. There are three modes of polymerization according to the type of reaction taking place between the monomers. Between the monomer, there are three types of reaction taking place between the monomers. उसमें आता है addition of polymerization, condensation of polymerization and ripening. First वाला आता है three different mode. Addition of polymerization. Second one is condensation of polymer condensation, and third one is ring opening polymerization. Addition of polymerization is a process of formation of polymer by addition of monomers. Addition of monomers without loss of any small molecule. कंडेंसेशन फॉर्मेशन तो हम लोग अभी देखते हैं एडिशन पॉलीमराइजेशन. Addition polymerization, process of formation of polymer by addition of monomers without loss of any small molecule. Compounding containing double bond undergo addition polymerization. It is also referred as the vinyl polymerization. Vinyl polymerization. Since majority of monomers are from vinyl category, example CH2 double bond CHCl, that is vinyl chloride, acrylonitrile, that is equal to CHCN. Formation of polythene from ethylene. Formation of polythene from ethylene is a well-known example of addition polymerization. Addition polymerization produces high molecular mass compound. They produces high molecular mass compound without formation of any intermediate low molecular mass polymeric material. Free radical mechanism. It is formed by free radical mechanism. It is also called as a chain reaction, which involves the three distinct steps, that is chain initiation, second one is chain propagation, third one is the chain termination. Chain initiation, chain propagation, chain termination. In next video, we are going to discuss about the detailed steps, that is chain initiation, chain propagation, and chain termination. And then it is second one is the condensation polymerization, and third one is the ring opening polymerization. The third type of polymerization is the ring opening. Cyclic compounds like cyclic ethers, lactones, that is polymerizes by ring opening polymerization. Strong acid and strong base polymerizes this reaction. And next classification is the classification of polymers on the basis of intermolecular forces.